Okay, back again with the Motorcycle Garage. So it's all going well so far. I've literally just put the new belts on, having marked them. They're the old belts there, old cam belts. As you can see, I marked them where they were. Whether I needed to or not is another thing. But I marked them up so I can mark up the new belts as a double whammy, really. And they're certainly taking them off. They're a lot thinner and obviously worn compared to the new ones, which I've just literally put in. I'm hoping you can see, and it's all obviously marked up. You can see where it's, yeah, you can see where it's in line. That's the pulley, the horizontal cylinder, and then you've got, you can see there, hopefully, yeah, the pulley there for, and you can see the mark there on the belt and also on the pulley for the vertical, well, no, sorry, still for the horizontal. The vertical one belt is at the back there, if you can just about see it, and I just happened to mark it there just for a double check. And at the top here, hopefully you can see quite clearly, you can see the mark there, cross, that was the mark, which I marked the belt and put it on. So we're all back and in time now with brand new belts, as you can see, and that's all good. I'm going to put a pulley, I took the pulley off, the lower one, the adjuster pulley. Found the bearings absolutely fine, actually spin nicely, no issues, nice and smooth, no grittiness. So obviously that goes back in there, as it were. Whoops, sorry. Where can I see? Yeah, just in there, goes onto there and pushes up like that. So yeah, so there we go. Put that back now. So just an update. Be a lot of putting back together now, really, but worst bit's over doing those, but I thought it might just help because it certainly would have given me an idea a bit more. It's not too terrible, just take your time. It's worth marking the belts as well, even though your timing's set. That top one is a real bugger because it's actually on the cusp of one of the cams, obviously trying to open something or something, and it just spins round slightly. It doesn't matter, you just spin it back to its proper position before you put the belt on. Just hold it. It's not too tough, it's a little bit, yeah. That's the only one that mucks about. The other ones, the other pulleys here, crank and everything, stays, they don't move at all. So sorry. Yeah, so let's try and get a good shot of that. It's quite important. Yeah, there we go. No, terrible, sorry. Don't know which way around we can get it here. That's better. There. You can see the mark of the and the new belt. Okay, well, thanks very much for watching. There's the old ones, as it were. I didn't need the pulleys, thankfully, because I'd need a outside puller. I've only got internal pullers to get the those two bearings off. So yeah, saves me getting an external puller. So yeah, they're as I say, they're absolutely smooth. They even look new. So I don't know, but they are working really well. So anyway, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. Bye.